Where does a busy fall start? With a busy late summer. I'm David Stark and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. The number of homes for sale during August dipped slightly compared with July. That said, buyers had consistently more options this summer compared with last summer. For the third month in a row, sales price dropped with the median for August just north of $1 million. Home sales during August were strong, solidly in the 1,300 range and up slightly compared with last year. We're getting local, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale up almost everywhere. Wow, especially in the smaller communities, Castro Valley, Newark, San Leandro, Union City. Prices coming down, Berkeley, Castro Valley, Oakland, San Leandro. Sales mostly down, from Castro Valley down 880 to Newark and Fremont. West Contra Costa County is next. Homes for sale mixed. Big increase in El Sobrante and a big drop in San Pablo. Prices also mixed. El Cerrito is still in the $1 million range. Hercules and Richmond both down. Sales mostly up. San Pablo, 21 homes sold. Let's check Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale mostly up. Clayton, Doubles, Pleasant Hill and Walnut Creek both way up. Prices trending down. Pleasant Hill, $1 million, down 25% compared with last August. Sales mixed. Clayton and Martinez both dropped more than 25%. Pleasant Hill and Walnut Creek both way up. Next, La Miranda. Homes for sale mixed. A lot more choices in Lafayette and Orinda. Prices down. Orinda 1.7, down 20%. Sales mixed. Big increase in Orinda. We're in the Tri-Valley next. Homes for sale up almost everywhere. Big increases in Pleasanton and San Ramon. Prices coming down. Dublin 1.575, down 25%. Pleasanton 1.6, down almost 15%. Sales mostly up. Dublin 27 homes sold, up more than 40%. Let's wrap it up in the Delta. Homes for sale, more choices for buyers everywhere. Prices mixed. Brentwood 820, up 6%. Pittsburgh 600, down 5%. Sales mostly down. Pittsburgh 32 sold, down more than 40%. Last thoughts. Compared with last August, there are about 50 more pending sales. Another hint that real estate activity this year isn't done yet. We'll see you next month.